So what is Web TV Plus? It's really simple. It's an awesome new way for you and your family to enjoy television. It gives you all sorts of information about your favorite TV programs and lets you explore your interests like never before. It's also the simplest way to get onto the World Wide Web, so your television actually becomes more, which is why we called it Web TV Plus. Pretty smart, huh? Of course, we also made sure it was easy and fun to use. Sounds simple enough? So, what do you need? Well, first, you'll need a TV. Web TV Plus is almost as easy as using the TV itself. Wait, you probably already have a TV. Well, you'll need a phone. But do you need a second phone line? Nope, you don't need a separate line. In fact, even if a call comes in while you're using Web TV Plus, you don't have to miss it. Just pick up the phone. When you hang up, you'll be right back to where you left off. So you don't need a new one of these. I guess all that leaves is a Web TV Plus receiver, which is an attractive-looking unit that sits near your TV. It's simple to connect, so you can be up and running in a matter of minutes. You'll also need a remote control. And that's it. Oh, yeah, some of us might want to get a new one of these.